Etina Ghana for people say me Penyah Twene we me ante nka the almighty to see the bass and say Ato Forson abekas I work up na kwena yankobo bra bia no yakobo ka 58 million cedis. Twene se de ha emunya abotre almighty abekasa I say Twene Jonas say mo mfa na so mu twanko de bi de Twene abekasa na Twene abebo na adwen akire de Mahama ne Ato Forson e je say basa say skara mo kan de mo be fiaba aha Penyah block media mesro say ni di mo obe like video no that man subscribe button and be click notification corner for latest update and be tell the world that man e wo comment section oba so a no ahye for enya bia hwe no kan phone na money sana pen dey am from pro code Penyah TV send this car if USA if UK ebra any African country bia so na nala enjoy $20 amazing for free omo transaction e very fast o Sunday ya na edru fie na emu na nala for no ama $20 amazing kwa omo de echo now let's go to say we say Only say World Cup edition 2026 edition na akwa ewe ama Spain and win ye Argentina 82nd, England 83rd, and France 84th. You know, yeah, there were a whole lot of prophecies, allegation we say team win a bad year with the base, but it didn't take or be a day army. Emma de Yame pe and a C. And I got a near Bobby because now your group say L is a group D is a group F good and win, but near Panama, England, Croatia, and a war your team anymore, your group anymore. Say group 5 was a group D na Jane Panama England Croatia any group no more. Now group stage you qualify if you hold more equal round of 32 and 32 they go share Colombia and omi ye free na say ball 4 matches per. Now before that tournament be start no. On the 12th of March 2020 na Friday. Ghana ye fundraising for World Cup na ye fundraising to support the Blasters and Ghana in its participation in the FIFA World Cup 2026 no. Ye fundraising at the mine. Emma ye targeted an amount of $30 million. But at the end of the day, need to make $10 million. Next year, they are too honor. You need $10 million. I they support your Lantiano. Ama Omo Ed Aqua World Cup. Emma, you go to 31st May. The sports minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, everything come to Ghana for by my TSS. World Cup now, you could be just a free. FIFA honor as a FIFA. Over me is Kebi. Now, scan over my year. $12.5 million. That is close to about $30 million.
We have learned that we are also getting some money from FIFA.
Yes.
$10 million?
More than that.
Okay.
More than that. I think in total it will be about $12.5 million for our qualification. 2.5 will come ahead for preparation. This morning, I engaged the president of the FA to find out whether those funds have hit their account yet, but the information I got was that not yet. So usually that is for preparation. So you use that for the pre-tournament, the tours, the friendlies, the various activities that you would have to do. But for qualifying, we have about 12.5 million, including what will be advanced to you to prepare for the World Cup. So the balance, of course, will be paid later, and we'll use that to do a number of things. Per the arrangement, now that we have a sports fund, the law says that every money we get in participating in any tournament should go into the fund. So what it means is that when that money comes, it will go into the sports fund and will be used in developing various activities, various projects, and what have you to elevate sports and grow sports in the country.
FIFA Bema team bia bia no opia demu $12.5 million. Odo ka fundraising make say Ghana kura $22.5 million. Na say sika no mode yakobo 4 matches per ya na be feel say sika no kura no enisi etimi yusu mu chese emu ayi kura enisi etimi yusu mu duru half enisi etimi duru because Ethiopia pre bia ka $100,000 kura ye 20 per 10 $1 million. Ye 20 per 20 $2 million. Ye 20 per 30 players request nuru 30 si Ethiopia players 30 kura ka just $3 million. Be un ko da and just say enise ka yetimi spend to about $10 million kura ko just 4 matches. Enise yetimi spend bro uncle bia nim say sky ye sky o hono fundraising ye no kura no kamo ye ho account amayenti na nanse no ana to force go PM Ghana Parliament budget na mu Thursday no onka ka say o kire mu say bo Ghana ye ko wake up na say abo ka o Oman spending 58 million cedis. Cities cano 580 billion. And it's opportunity ambulance I call World Cup. Next I go say Ato. Or if you wanna FIFA my $12.5 million. Young as a team raise $10 million. Now to 58 million cities no e dey ba dia ye dey koye dey who this kind koye dey Ato be kasa e ma Ato grant intern o kire mo say oh no onya we wante it now no kra watene dey obekwa kwaji ni sika 58 million cities no kwaji na ade na say Ato di Ghana edi agoro as finance minister sika bia ba oba say wante 12 million sika kuma oba say wante the FIFA ma Ghana $12 million. That's all part today say. Now say when that child comedian so na no na Twene Jonas akoto no say dey make be. Penyah ma menke bi. Na ka kire Ghana for. Na we elen say Twene Jonas efre me no. All this men say make kan kire mo.
Also they spend 58 million in the World Cup. World Cup 3 days, you know. Me say ni nyina e kron for sika no ma wi a NDC for wi a John Mama ne Ato Forson wi a. FIFA ne ti ahon kan nyina. FIFA ne ti ahon ka World Cup bi apa bo she Google. Second to be say na FIFA de mom. FIFA this kind of mom no ma di no ma san be wi sika so simple truth. Hotel omo da play I take tin na FIFA na de mom. Bibia supporters ni na FIFA na sponsor sa na World Cup bi atie. Enya wo country na san ka obi a me bobo no. Oh no Gigi Scout Stadium. FIFA need stadium sika to make billions of or make it billions of dollars for per every World Cup into making sure say otua players in aka if you want be the first FIFA be tiaka wa be to second you be tiaka wa be kojo kura be you be tiaka enti bonuses o mugigi nyina anya mahama na etia enti so na etia we kronfo FIFA na etia FIFA kura nim your mama obabia no abeka say $58 million ebe support to Ghana joke omo ya kronfo. I'm telling you the fact omo ya kronfo America krom weska bebrebe kura FIFA mo mu nyina ska hotel omo da state bia host ye bia FIFA na tia sports stadium aye host nyina Ghana ni bia ni wa FIFA nim no Ghana minister bia ni wa FIFA nim no akwajiska ka be no omo boy plane ticket ni nyina ana oyade ayi ko nyina o yade pate ko Canada nyina FIFA na sponsor a na enye ye nyina ntina FIFA de ba bonte se wa try a enye ye FIFA ka player dey move player from different location FIFA ka basis a team FIFA ka jo mama pa mebo mi dia nto a obo kire wa o aden na mo ya kronfo oh now the Jimmy ko wi esika we anu abetena menya skantia kiafo menya skantia na esifo menya skantia tichafo every 1 minute bi a top view na namunya misha broni FIFA na etia omo FIFA na amini omo nyina new mini omo na ma America ha boy omo bo nyina omo aka kire me hotel Argentina for da aduane omo be di ba bi e be sebo omo ni nyina FIFA ka anti wo te Ghana ho no amabo ni bi wo te Ghana ho ye de bo ka $51 million wo te Ghana ho wa amabo ni bi o wo te ho Ato Forson ni ufi on te Ghana ho ho na kwaji iska no bo aye bo America broni sponsor wasama mu take it amomfa ma Ghana for me free no mo sa charge Ghana for $2,000 $500 $800 free no magic kana di free o every country bia FIFA momo seat more than 5,000 take it free monfama mo supporters me support team no and take it na mo ji enyi no ma san ton adi na ma wie de mo kwase abetena ze ma boka say bibi ni yenye da o da bia na ye wi o man sika na ye wi o man sika na kwanya tutu a teacher for ye ntio mo ka nurse for ntio mo ka o ko hospital bed ni ho na sika no ba ko fo wi ani nyina sai it's unfair and I'm a chada me for 10 years me dia me na makobo me kro no na dwo mama se waje ama NDC ni nkasa ni du odu no nkama ma obi a won sika ko no chada na onye obi antia
na fe komi as Ghana fo ni be so no eso mo nti na masinti no we sin nsem a o mo ebe kai
finance minister nso akokasa mago so ahu wo voice no ho
oh don't know bia
World Cup na ekoye no sa 2.5 million FIFA de mai se mfa mo aboa ho no ye koduru America ho no contingent over 50 aketokra kumo de koye no eka bia ho bia ye FIFA fo na nefa hotel ayeda ye FIFA nefa ho ka Ghana nkotua hotel bia ka ho enu ntina country bia wo free ma ye ma 2 days next was free hotel ho na woko go FIFA na etua enti Ghana de ne ye free mu fiada na nadwo no e wo cancers no omo de mo memenda kwasi ada na eso bia check out e FIFA ne tua enti e ka ye boy ya ne se ye tua per diems ne ye tua bonuses sa bonuses ne kura no medical busa ho asem they say ye de aba ne to ho no mon sam ye nsam faja aba no what this week as my din ya me hwe no mamu min tuja this week editorial ma hold on ba mu ya me asa be tuja from Monday going fi say FIFA boss aka we nyina na tua per diems any winning bonus so senso qualification bonus are still minister honorable Kofi Adam say ma ye hu ye na finance minister so mo de sika Ghana sika no say na ko ma ko eda wanim ana fa ko sika dada no me hwe sika o mo de ko ye e say 68 million Ghana cedis and I say
don't 58 million
58 or 68
58 na me figure mo 58
there be figure na say one.
Yeah, of course it should be one. It should be one.
68 now. Yes, wow. 68 documented. 68 million. Engineer says he can't say.
Oh, sir.
Motor say no.
Sir, yeah, some more. Sir,
1 million behind.
1 million 10 billion.
10 billion.
In the 58, 580 billion.
68. The 680 billion.
8 billion, yeah.
680 billion.
Billion, yeah.
O maya konfuanoche wo ho a. Kumasi konfuanoche he ya wo ho a oxygen. Esi obi su ni etu akosu obi su ni etimi yusu 680 billion de kodi 3 weeks to America.
Yeah, as have a traffic.
Hey, finance minister.
So the BNC ye. I'll be possible on 10 kwan head.
Opanyin Hereford. Say na modeba. Say walk, say. Say 680 billion.
Yeah.
Sikada than America boy ye kobo ye. Me say oxygen confornotis you so ni e so obi so because wo no anyam frama kakra ye mfa nko no obi nso nyem frama kakra.
Ara hosem pao.
Oxygen o ko enuru 30.
Dabi
o my ambulance kra ya problem my ambulance. Correct regions na say a districts no district be a one ambulance e okuruma oh mu ye say no am nkrofo de enum politics o because ye economy no ma ye nyi prebu okwan 680 billion adai
Black Stars no dey
680 billion Baba Yara Stadium na ye twa picture beto why say we say picture no ye twa picture beto wa say emufuo na o kokon no na du bomfa nkwanta e da bomtuma se ye ho no
bi ana no mai busy caricature nkwa na yemu ma
e ho nkwa o maya ye park ye bo qualifiers so it is a mufuo ayes a rice farm
very very bad
na mutimi e do out what is an bro no say to support Ghana's participation in the 2026 FIFA World Cup. An amount of 68 million has been paid, Finance Minister. And yes, I didn't know
Ministry disbursement the press holder I could test Kanama.
Hey, one more Facebook Munsu. Hey, prepare you, mammy. Hey, you, mammy. Ajwa benne mabedia benne wa sasiso
ajwa benne sanyo ne title kra ajwa benne
amagana metiwana ma yedi amagana metiwana ma yekum amwo wisia me wo abadua saje aban ene de me nkwana amagana pa we park pa na mate so ase ye tim park Baba Yara Stadium mudis 680 billion ana mutua ma hwan. Hey, finance ministries more scow. And you had to tell me was swam around about where send Mamu just 5 months. There's a multimedia. Because the rate of releases Sikano. why is that 58 to 68 to hona nanam sikano esubroso odi aye ma ko betna se na de we betna se
me pese me de adesrede to Ghana ban John Dramani Mahama nanim
sisen
na me pese Ghana fo nyina ko fita go enso tie bi ne nyina ye ka kire ne se yesre enra sisia na obo voice no finance minister say 58 million Ghana cedis paid na so no matua through the ministry say omomfa nko World Cup no Black Stars na in fact which is $5 million enti assembly dey scan dey waka according to the momotua but ye be say Ghana ban who say Ghanaians ye pe proper accountability yeah sports into the sporting aspect of it no and I hear discussing so rules express rules politics from badamon discussing material but for sports ye pay accountability on the money paid to the Black Stars and your accountability keko proper accountability because tie ebi ana won tie ase there were a lot of sika ni na wiem World Cup mreyimu a say yenya botram breaking it down and accountability a e be fire ni so dey kan ye qualify see ye call World Cup no a government e wa na ban ayi FIFA emma obi account be $2.5 million eno e beto FA account mtienie because FIFA no so send this cow send ma FA in this kind of class say aban sika e be di FA ho wi a ansa na FA for the akoma aban and for preparation eda baby and na ye say ye be raise fund na ye dia support the World Cup project covid so here companies ya e donate to the fund ye betimi abobo bi the main kai there wo fie wo betimi dia ba but minimum kura no Ecobank Ghana Limited ama Ghana buy 3 million Ghana cedis out of the 58 million 3 million Ghana cedis Rich Limited ama Ghana buy 1.1 million Ghana cedis Asa ama Ghana buy 1 million Ghana cedis kofta ho yes ebinum ma 250,000 any sika keka ho ye nwie ye Ibrahim Mahama any ne company Emma Ghana buy $2 million.
Yes.
On ko kase ko tua
5 million. Na or the amount 20 na kase.
Nti em fan so de wa may $2 million. Enye no nko minim say government ni nkofo bi dis bi buy. Me ba cho says can yen setting aside. Ni em say eno no a part of scanner aban so ono na yiye no.
Oh, okay.
Because we want to know.
Yes.
Accountability na be kire say scanner aban yi so de ma blasters no. One, every government coffers sikana ye raise any separate me be me sika botene poti ai ye kodi ye utieni o enti say $58 million no ye raise fund no $5 million ye raise fund no fund ni nyina one in total ye nya asen e we say minister ebe render proper accounts ye wi ani ya audit say sa fund no total ye nya asen company we ma ye sen ni nyina ye nya asen your audit you say you fine and you say no government 58 million every hin ni ya hwe afei FIFA sika no $2.5 million for tournament preparation enye $2.5 million na nko a onya qualifier akofi o ye guaranteed of 10 million
yes
stage na ye duru ye ne chese in total ye nya 11 million
ye nya 13.5 million
13.5 the would 2.5 be kan wansa na nya 13 yes
oh okay
ntu kan nyina bomu a na ma 13.5 million
okay
and yes FIFA be release the other money na be 2.5 already released and yes for the tournament preparation ye ball friendly matches ye Austria ye ko mukrom Germany ye ko mukrom Mexico ye ko mukrom and na Wales
yes
and in a nutshell me sure so nyina so qualify for World Cup and ye craft friendly match so mo de cry ya o mo na betua se ye nyina ne ye che mukura na o mo ye hu se sika ben
na ye tua
and na ye tua ye now some more minister no ba, and it is the normal practice after every World Cup we do that. But we are young audit because now we've agreed $5 million was paid. Now it is the money that was paid. How much of that sum was spent?
Oh, okay.
Minister na afi no oba be kire yemu say scan de ko ye na they are spending out of that any because no be cited the example of Qatar. I remember they took $8.1 million but omuba ye na minister ni church mu said they spent $5.1 million. They return 3 something.
Yes, okay.
And what it means they say 5 points, you know. So what the nyina no problem. Accounts na ye here na ye so ya audit ni ye hu say ampa was it the money well spent because enei say you three players appearance fee and now bonus because according to the presidency's website Twitter handle time omu release that 5 million no omu say ade $1.4 million so omu declare outstanding bonuses be $1.4 million. Omo dey post here, post here. They say White House omo Twitter no. And there is a separate money ah. Yen team free the money that was paid to last year for the World Cup. So forget that. The money that was paid, our minister Neka wants to in question is $5 million. Now we want to know how much of that money was spent at the World Cup. Now and yes how much keke omo dey tour what I say?
Yeah.
Now omo dey tour be a ticket. Because yet ha government say the average air cost be cover President Mahaman no masem okoka wa mono ne near the container adwira property no no gina ho o shefugu say you tua 11,000 say o man wa ba so be boy sika ba yentimi nkoba obi a about $11,000 estimate cost for group stage good 21 okache supporters group kito no mkra say nya visa ave Ghana fo e wa burochire no ene ye bepese ye betumi anya ticket ama omo a ticket ni be sin na nkrofo complain say omo nsanka enti in fact ticket ni so onim say de obe purchase bia wo code wo so enti ticket na omo purchase ye no ne ndodo ye sen aye betuma tresi ni nyina enti ye wi ne wo say ombo kase ni audit ya resa ampa because government sika dey spend 1 cedi kura so
eso bu akonta ye o je receipt count
because na dey be audit nya do ba wo de wa no kan ye and you see enra ensem na ekoso na mama hu say say Ghana be develop na be che because o mai bia be ye ya Kofi e ni youth no na say o mai vibrant in the citizens no. But we live in a country where Chiesika government, government Chiesika for national team. Omako tournament aba. Ghanaians are raising concerns. Say, we want accountability. Ghana for you to nankasa na betimi the development and the future of this country. Ejina omosono. You to know political affiliation to you to buafu. Accountability you to buafu. Na nyame nwanwa because some of our youth here come to sebi yadwene wo form too much because sometimes I wonder how some of us spend our 24 hours say the whole day meaning your money here because you see there is no country that can progress say you to any citizens no future of this country no and hold the leaders accountable. It is only in Ghana here and now that is a political figure and somebody who holds a public office on issues, any matters, allegations evolving around corruption. Now, demonstration. It is only in Ghana here. And but the youth of this country now, the nation need develop here. Yeah, corruption free. When they are trying any figure, so a public figure, you to know say that. And when they are corrupt, between the youth and the people, it is the youth. And the problem of this country, it is the youth. Because I'm not think about it. You raise concerns, for make a yes, I'm who you be here. But then friend on Twitter. Kofi, yeah, accountability. Are you the minister? Almost say. So omuti appearance fee omo ebefa ayi kakra ombe say me ba jo who hear this kind of man were you there I didn't see that one na say wo ba betra social media be account o ya correct there untimi ya no nipa na hear this kind of man no ono no be den obeba be ya no because there are certain you maybe a fact be here den okay so I qualify for World Cup the entire team no mo ho ka nyina FIFA fa hotel a mo be da ye FIFA ka utie ni ya cars a mo be use ye FIFA ka enti ebi ema ne say FIFA fa officials ni playing body ni nyina mo ana mo fi say mo de certain nipa individual bi be kwa encover FIFA but ebe boa mo enti eni nyina no minister na be kire say nkrofukwo we mo ne ye de o mo koye ye mo tik ye bo mo ka say we mu enti sa details ne de untimi ntra laptop ana o mobile phone achi MSS mame edi enti na after every time ye semo minister no parliament wa sa no ma we nyina so mrantie na the future of this country no kofi ejina o mo so no nyoma na de bi o mo say man no ye mrantie wo mo esa abrantie di so mo to man man kokrafo nyoma the youth of this country and the problem no because when issues of corruption abrochire ni nyina kofi when it comes to proper accountability auditing system e hono mu di $1 million na yama New York mayor oje gift you and na all listing ayi keke wan declare yayi na magana akoya o sese ye wo ne gano yayi na mo ndete so
yes
the actual spirit ko who na o she just go work up yes we mayor someone says o ndete so yes ba ko de gift nye bribe gift
achede
yayi no because all choro ne accounts there the one fan shame say skipping so far say gift yayi no but in this country nipa no say you ko try no for matters of corruption and na onya accountable omu nkunta keke no
yes
enye yeyo you to no mrante na sabi omu na nka yes o madwuma bia because according to research yeye age and yeye nyansafo what does it because we na wa na sabi eye ketwa na yembo yeye nyansafo na ye papa mu adwuma bia si yeye because say you to ananya sa say future debate be develop here this ye be ye papa mo but the ye just ye papa mo nyansa no ebro ye de no so de a and we are doomed because obi nko ni enfas adwuma nhye ne nsa ni ese o mebu akonta na wa wutifie ne say wo na wo ni ho ma achen US wo kra wo nsi oda no wo de laptop no computer mum e be ye calculation akire me how can that work and yes na mo omampanyina ye nyina because in this country we were here and me also say these politicians will learn from that.
Yes.
Fair. So obi kaso hold you accountable. Nipa no, we more the greatest of opportunity to win public trust.
Yeah.
Because it is the best of opportunity. I will be explaining Ghanaians with proof say this is how you spend the money.
Okay.
And sabasu bobi kura wo mu a. Unim say se ukoba na ye de kakura na mremu na mpa the money needed to be spent as is amount.
Yes.
So the first year hold account so mo kro no ehun ni mo. E was say wani je because one ebema wa ban no kura no aye transparent. Ghana for say mo ye corruption dey free. Usuro dey say bia wa ko wia. But in a country, our political parties to show the individual at the expense of the party. One person, the Bonia Wakodi, we are in here, this country, example, baby. Parties need to be protected. Any panel. Now, Ghana for nothing, any panel before to Aba, a party, no party, they say, or no nipa bakun who he answered. And even if you think about no government in here, remember one individual interest. MSN, even if you want to go on that tangent, and please. To whom yeah this kind of man no on no so be accounts you what I say and we are here in some of the ayayadwimu hwan omunya botre mebu nkunta because for what I know the $2.5 million given to FA the government did not allow the FA to spend on Kipi 11 ne be kan be 13.5 omu we are now buying decide say sika no de ma FA no obete say na afrim obeja 13 na ma efe no ana obeji na de sa aban ni Jesus kanu a ono be decide say ya create sports fund eno kra so say ebu nkonta sa sports fund ya create say this kagum aban di bi be kom aban this can be develop football ana o de be den enti de tie pa ne say enei yakọ work up na ba but e we say ye bebu nkonta ne ye say hunu kwan ya kakra aka no ya this can be fun
we na kire wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media akra